Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multi-Tool School. This is part 3 of how to choose a multi-tool. Now, what's kind of interesting to me, it's not a negative thing, but this is the Super Tool 300. Well, there aren't scissors inside the Super Tool 300. It's just something a little different, I thought. Now, a comparable multi-tool in size and so on is the Victorinox Swiss tool, which does not have scissors. So I just thought I'd point that out in the discussion about scissors. Let's move on to, well, and also it goes, I think by now it goes without saying that you might ask the question, do they lock into place? And all of these inside tools on this Leatherman Wave and other multi-tools that are configured similar to it, all of these tools use this locking mechanism. Let's take a quick look at the can opener and bottle openers. On this Leatherman Wave, you've got a traditional can opener. There's not particularly any design features that stand out a lot among these can openers. This is one of the can openers. It does lock into position. Let me show you this Buck extract. Now, this is kind of a minimalist type multi-tool. You've got the combo knife blade, you've got these pliers, and there. Well, you also have a bottle opener right here, and you use this thumb stud to deploy it, which is different, just like you use the thumb stud on lots of knives and multi-tools to deploy the knife blade. Well, you use this thumb stud to deploy the can opener, and look at this. It locks into place with this liner lock right here, which I think is awfully interesting. It's a little different. I like it. That's the Buck extract. Okay, let's move on to the pocket clip. Here's an example of a multi-tool with a pocket clip permanently attached to it, or, well, I mean, you could remove it, but you get the idea. You've got a pocket clip. Now, this Leatherman Skeletool has a pocket clip right here. Works real good. I like my Skeletool. What I really wanted to point out is the Leatherman removable pocket clip, which is this device right here. And It is removable. It goes into this empty space right here, this groove. And so you, when you want a pocket clip, you want to use a pocket clip, you can slide it into place. Well, trust me, it's not as complicated as it appears to be for me fumbling around. You put the pocket clip on there. If you don't need it anymore, you decide to remove it, you just unlock it, press the lever, and take it off.